Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to allow updates automatically on the Telegram app for PC. Keeping your apps up to date is important because updates often bring new features, security improvements, and smoother performance. Luckily, turning on automatic updates in Telegram only takes a couple of simple steps. First, make sure your Telegram app is already open on your computer. Once it's up and running, look towards the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice three small horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a panel that shows you a list of different options to explore within Telegram. Next, scroll down until you see the Settings option, and select it. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice a section with a variety of categories to customize your experience. What you want to do now is click on Advanced. Once you're inside the Advanced settings, take a moment to look for the section labeled Version and Updates. This section is dedicated to keeping your app current with the latest releases from Telegram. Within that section, you'll see the option called Update Automatically. All you need to do is enable this feature by switching it on. And that's it. From now on, Telegram will automatically stay up to date on your PC without you having to manually check for updates or download them yourself. This means you'll always be using the most recent version, and you can enjoy new features as soon as they're released without lifting a finger. Letting Telegram handle updates in the background not only saves you time, but also ensures that your app stays secure. With automatic updates turned on, you'll never miss out on bug fixes or performance enhancements again. So to sum it up, open the app, click the three lines, select Settings, go into Advanced, find Version and Updates, and simply turn on Update automatically. Thanks for watching.